Everybody, it's Pete with Drainage Technology Solutions, otherwise known as HydroBlox West, and you can find out more information at drainage-technology.com. Again, drainage-technology.com or hydrobloxwest.com, and that's HydroBlox with an X. So we're at a home right now with a typical sort of set of problems. One is they have all of their downspouts just dumping water out at the house, all right? And then it's no surprise that she's getting water. In this house, actually, it's unique. It has a basement. So this house's basement is getting water into the basement, and we're going to stop that. So what we're doing is we're connecting all the downspouts. So there's a downspout here, downspout there, two downspouts on the other side of the house, and we're connecting them into solid pipe. And then what we're going to do is we're going to run HydroBlox through the same trench, okay? And we're going to have all of that water go to, guess what? A sump pump. I like to avoid sump pumps when I can, but sometimes they're just a godsend and you have to have them. So we'll run all of our water into the sump pump basin, and here is the sump pump basin, and there is the sump pump staged and ready to be installed. And here we have the other side of the house where we're starting to do the installation of the HydroBlox along with the pipe. So we're doing a 2-board run here, and in some places 3. We're doing a 2-board run, and in some places 3 basically where there's any junctions. And it's this simple. Actually, it's not simple, but it's what we do. And so you have your 2-board run on this side of the house. You have your 2-board run on the other side of the house. We're connecting all the downspouts. And in this case, the sump pump that's down in the basement, I don't think that it'll be triggered anymore, because once we do the drainage, there's not going to be any more water that's just pooling at the foundation of the house. So my guess is there's not going to be any more water going into that sump pump in the basement. But the people who did the installation, they simply ported the discharge pipe for the sump pump in the basement out right here at the house. Well, that's no good. They should have had it going somewhere away from the house. So not only did they have the downspouts all dumping water right at the base of the house, but they also had the sump pump from below in the basement dumping out right at the house. Well, we were fixing all of that along with putting in yard drainage. And so this is going to be a nice system for this homeowner. And for more information, go to hydrobloxwest.com or drainage-technology.com. So that's it from Pete in Northern California. We're about an hour south of Lake Tahoe.